Hello everybody and welcome back. BJ here from BJ Files His Taxes. And today I'm joined by Alex the Beer Master.
What is up, everybody? Cheers.
And we're going to be trying one out from ManaFirkin from ManaFirkin, New Jersey. Juicy Shore. Juicy Shore is a 7.4% IPA. On the nose,
That smells citrus. That smells pretty darn citrus.
definitely picking up those citrus notes. Very, very citrusy. So much, in fact, that I'm not picking anything else.
No, that's all you're smelling. You're smelling citrusy all the way through.
Almost like a blood orangey kind of citrus.
Yeah, I'm smelling that as well. I agree.
All right, well, let's give it a try.
Shall we?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not as citrusy in the flavor as in the aroma. Definitely, the citrus flavor is definitely there, but I'm picking up a lot of richness too. A lot of a little bit of maltiness.
No, there's not that much citrusy there. I agree with you on that.
Yeah, in the flavor, it's
No.
just really on the nose. Picking up a lot more of the Mosaic and the El Dorado in the flavor.
It's a good flavor, but it's not what I expect from the nose.
Yeah, not picking up any of that blood orange aroma at all.
Correct? There's a slight bitterness as you're drinking it. Actually, not slight.
It's there.
It's there.
It's there. There's
It's
a
there.
definite bitterness there. Doesn't leave you with the driest finish, but it's definitely a dry finish.
It's not as dry as some of these beers. It's a little bit more juicy. A little bit juicier.
It does have a lot of juiciness to it. Just not that juicy sweetness.
No, there's no sweetness in it. It's more bitter than sweetness.
Definitely. If you're enjoying this video or finding it helpful or informative, why don't you go ahead and drop a like? It helps with the algorithm and it makes us smile. And while you're at it, why don't you give us a follow? I'm BJ Drinks Beer on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and he is
Alex the Beer Master on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.
So what do you think for a rating?
Well, I'm gonna give it even though it does have good juiciness. I'll give it an 85. It's still good. I'll give it an 85.
Okay. Well, I'm definitely enjoying this one. There's a lot better out there. A little bit more sweetness would have done wonders for it, but otherwise, decent beer, just nothing that's going to blow anyone away. I'll give this one a 3.5 out of 5. Well, I haven't had too much from ManaFirkin yet, but based on this, I would definitely try some more of what they have to offer. Alex, anything to add?
This is Alex the Beer Master. We will see you all on the next live stream in the next video. This is Alex the Beer Master signing out. Cheers, everybody.
That's all we got for this time. Until next time, cheers. Okay, let's stop and take our pictures because we forgot.
You know what? That might have to be one of our bloopers. That's it.
I'm trying not to put the gross stuff on. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
You're a trip.
And definitely I'm definitely willing to give him another shot. Yeah, we're cutting.
Well, this is Alex Beermaster, and we will see you all on the next live stream and the next video. This is Alex Beermaster, and we will see you all on the next live stream. It's Alex Beermaster signing out.
You want to do that again?
Oh yeah. Yeah. No. This is a blooper. This is Alex Beermaster.
Hold on. Definitely be. What? What'd I say?
No, but I'm sorry. I'm laughing at myself.